State health officials issued new orders clamping down on gatherings and seating in bars and restaurants.
These rules are going in place statewide and not just some regions. That comes amid a surge in cases over the past month. We bring in Rod Maloney, who's live now with more of the details of this latest order. Rod.
Yeah, Devin, what we're seeing here is the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services picking up where the governor's executive orders left off. And one of the things that they see is these cases spreading, and they feel they've got to do something to try and stem that tide. MDHHS Director Robert Gordon today did two things to try and stop COVID-19 cases. First, he lowered gatherings at weddings, parties, banquets, and non-residential settings from 500 people down to 50, a 90% reduction. Gordon cites research showing you're 20 times more likely to contract COVID in these settings. Next, Gordon ordered Region 6, which is much of up North Michigan, Traverse City, Otsego County, and Sheboygan counties among many, to go from Phase 5 to Phase 4, which means all Michigan school children will now need to wear masks in class.
The only way to beat COVID is to act on what we have learned already. Today's orders establish new requirements and set up a path for enforcement.
The next order is a lot closer to home for many in that the state now wants any gatherings indoors, particularly in restaurants or bars, limited to 6 or fewer people. And when in a restaurant or bar or other public setting like this, the business owner is now required to take names and phone numbers of patrons to assist in contact tracing. MDHHS is saying it's reserving the right to enforce these orders either criminally or civilly, with fines up to $1,000 and 6 months in jail.
The heart of our effort to beat COVID will be in the hearts and minds of individual Michiganders of every race and politics choosing to protect human life and to act on the science.
Now, the Department of Health Director, Robert Gordon, is telling us tonight that he believes it's the law that was put in place during the Spanish flu about 100 years ago that gives him the legal right and opportunity to do this, says he doesn't want to have to use jail and fines to make this thing work. But he says that's what he has to do. He also says that he wants to have some muscle against businesses, and they have the opportunity to lose a business license if they aren't enforcing these orders that have now been put out this afternoon.